So brake pad replacement, R1200GS LC or GSA, it's the same. First you need to take off the wheel, this side. They're kept in place by 5 bolts. Torque setting is 60 Newton meters for these. Then you're going to take off these 2 bolts. Torque setting is 24 Newton meters. It's a Torx 40 heads. There you go. Those 2. Then you can slide the whole caliper upwards. This small sensor wire you're going to be careful with, so just unclip it from the brake hose so your brake caliper can move up freely. Then this one will come up. 2 small clips keep the pin in place. Simply just use a plier and pull it out like so. And then this whole pin will slide out towards the right side of the bike, and then basically your brake pads are free. They will come off like so. So forward part slides in, kept in place by the small hook here, and then the rear part is kept in place by this pin. Now sometimes new brake pads, they don't come with a backing plate, so remember to swap over your backing plate there towards the other side again. Use some anti-seize on all this parts, this pin and the bolts again as well, some anti-seize. Always good to use. Then if the pistons inside the caliper are too far open, or closed actually I should say, then you can use an old brake pad, place it inside and then press it in with a plier just from this side. Use some rack here to protect the caliper, and just press the pistons inside again, so you got space for the new brake pads, because obviously there's more braking surface on them remaining than on the old ones, so most likely it's a tight fit to get them in. So again, brake pads in, pin in, 2 clips in, slide it back down again, 2 bolts in, 24 Newton meter, wheel back on, 60 Newton meters, that's it.